Hey guys, so we have been learning about introductions, opinions, and reasons. So today we're going to take those three things and put them together. We know that opinion writing has four parts: an introduction, opinion, reason, and conclusion. Today we're going to focus on the first three. So your topic is the zoo. Your first job is to click in this box and to give an introduction on your opinion of the zoo. You can ask a question or tell a surprising fact. I noticed that most students really enjoyed using those two sentence starters, but we also have background knowledge and explaining why the topic is important. So you can always choose the other two options. And if you wanted to, you can even go back to our old lessons and look on our introduction slides if you'd like a reminder on how you can include an introduction. So remember, an introduction is to hook your reader and get them excited about zoos. You could ask a question. Did you know? Can you believe? Have you ever? You can start that way, or you can tell a surprising fact about zoos. Here's a surprising fact, and tell us something interesting about zoos. In your opinion box, you're going to click here, and you can use one of these sentence starters. I think zoos are amazing and so much fun. I prefer to go to the zoo over the aquarium. You could say, I believe zoos are amazing for kids and every person should go at least one time in their life. Or you could have a different opinion. You could say, I think zoos are stinky and smelly. I do not like them. You can have a thumbs up opinion or a thumbs down opinion. So don't forget that. Just because the topic is zoo, and if you don't like the zoo, you can definitely make that your opinion as well. And then the next box, you're going to give me at least two reasons why you like the zoo or why you don't like the zoo. So you can say, first, I like the zoo because, and you can tell us why. Or to start, I like the zoo because, and tell us why. And then the second reason, you can go ahead and say, second, the zoo is amazing because. Or another reason I love the zoo is because. Remember, we like to use those linking words: because, since. Those are some words you guys really like to use for linking words. Your opinion and then your reason. So you're going to give me at least two reasons in this reason box. Now, if anyone is like, you know what? I know like 4 reasons why zoos are so amazing, then go ahead and give us some more reasons. I am asking for at least 2. At least 2. So that means 1 reason, 2 reasons. If you wanted to do 3, you can. If you wanted to do 4, you can. But just 1 reason, not enough. 2 reasons. And I know you guys can do it because yesterday we shared as a class, you guys brainstormed different reasons. Most kids found at least 6 reasons for their opinion on school uniforms. So I know you guys can generate lots and lots of opinions. Okay, so you guys are going to fill in this little chart. Each box you're gonna fill in. This is our graphic organizer for today. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.